Is it a skirt? Is it a pair of pants? No, it's culottes.
Get your sewspiration.
This is a super simple beginner-friendly pattern that I wanted to share with you. And that is the Ninni Culottes from Named Patterns. So this is absolutely perfect for a beginner, as well as for a first sewing project that you might be wanting to stitch up. It is very simple in its construction, and you don't have to worry too much about fit because they are meant to be baggy. And the best part, it has an elastic waist, making them number one, extra comfy, and number two, you don't have to worry too much about fit with this. Now, with this, there are basically only one version for you to create, is the culottes. But it does have the ability for it to work with both a woven or a knit fabric, which I find really intriguing. And you can get a lot of different looks depending on the weight and type of fabric that you chose. Now, I decided to go with this custom print viscose challis, and I will link it down below. I grabbed mine from Minerva, and it is a custom print there. And there's also a kit if you wanted to follow along with that. I will also link that down below. And I did a sew along for Minerva, and I will link that if you want step-by-step how to create these culottes, because it is something that if you're a new sewist, I always find video is the easiest. These have a really great instruction manual along with them that have really great diagrams as well as explanations in it. So if you are a beginner, it's kind of covering all your bases. You've got the actual printed pattern and instruction booklet, as well as that video to help you along with creating these. Now, one of the things that I really liked about this is rather than just putting the elastic casing in and kind of letting the elastic be willy-nilly inside the casing, and if you've ever had a pair of elastic waist pants and they have not stitched down on the sides, sometimes as you're washing it, the elastic can twist. And with this, they have you actually stitch it down, and I really like that. Number one, it gives a really unique look to that waistband, and number two, it secures that elastic in there so that you never have any twisting at all with this. Now, I love the flowy nature of these pants, and I hope that you do as well. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. And if you are looking for freebie sewing patterns or just any kind of inspiration, head on over to my website, sheerstitchery.com, and sign up for our newsletter. That will be the first place that I will post access to any of the free patterns that I have, or if I have drafted any new patterns, you're going to be the first ones to be able to check that out. And of course, follow along on all my socials here on YouTube, as well as TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. It is all at Sheer Stitchery. Until next time, makers, let's get our sewspiration on.
Let it go, what's the use in holding on? Can we find a way where we could spend some time alone?